What's up guys, AJ's Garage here. Got our 2003 Ford Lightning SVT. It is very low miles, 22,000 miles. Just got it idling here. And it's in the shadow gray color, I believe. All stock, original. Even those sweet tail lights. We got tires here, our original tires. When the truck was bought brand new, the owner took them off. He had some aftermarket wheels on it, so these were put back on when he sold it. They are all in excellent shape. Paint is very, very clean. Just do a motor shot here. We'll walk around to this side. Hard to see, but it is immaculate. The only flaws on this truck are the back tailgate. It's got some weird paint marks, so you'll see those right there. I have not tried to buff it yet, but I'm assuming they'll come out. So a few over there, and that one. And then there's actually a chip in the paint right there. But other than that, other than these things right here, that is it. See a couple more right here. There you go. To show the inside, here, tailgate. It's got the plastic liner, spare tire back there. The interior is actually really neat on this. Starting at the door, we got some trim panels that are painted. Same with the dash. We've got a center console. That's a nice addition. Flip out head unit, DVD unit. No check engine lights on the dash. You'll see the mileage 21,851. I'm going to move the seat forward here. There used to be a sub amplifier stereo system. The remnants are sitting here. I don't know what they are. I don't know if you can see that, but something needs to get gone through to make this system back to what it used to be. Let's get in here real quick. See the dash. Head unit. So the truck needs about 150 more miles, so when we get to the 22 mark, we're going to throw it on the dyno and give it the solid tune that it needs. Right now it's still on the break-in tune, so you'll see the hesitation on the throttle. I quick jabbed it before, but it should be resolved when the final tune is put into it. So, motor's built, MMR, short block, whole bunch of custom work. The website has all the mods that are listed on it, so any questions, feel free to ask. Again, 2003 Ford Lightning, 22,000 miles, a wicked exhaust note. Check it out guys, holler if you got any questions. Thanks for viewing.